Today I'll be showing you how to copy custom fields in Project Insight. To begin, you can choose a custom field from any item you'd like. For today, we'll be using a custom field under the task item type. We'll be copying this cause of delay custom field to the project item type. From the row of the custom field, go to the far right column. Click this More Options button and click Copy. It's important to note that you can copy a custom field to either another object or the same object. For example, if we want to copy this cause of delay field back into the task item type, we can just change the name. So maybe we could call it cause of stoppage. And as you can see by default, it's set to the same item type, which is task. Click copy, and you can see that we have this new cause of stoppage custom field. Now going back to the copy page for cause of delay. Now to change the item type that it copies to, you'll click this copy to item/object dropdown. We'll select project, and we'll change the field name to project cause of delay. The custom identifier is only used if you're doing integration. And as you can see, you have 3 copy options. The first, which is just copy, will simply copy onto the item. Copy and edit will copy it onto the item and will open a more advanced edit screen for you to edit your new custom field. And copy again will copy it to the item and then open up another copy page so you can copy it again. And this can be done ad infinitum. For today, we'll just click copy, and going to the project item type, we can see that we have our project cause of delay custom field.